Hello, we are groups 7, Selena, Alexis, Nigla, and Anika, period 1, Fight the Light. Our topic on the Human Impact Project is light pollution, and our driving question is, how can we, group 7, explore the awareness of light pollution and its effects on the environment for people who aren't aware about the dangers by using a documentary to educate others. This is our data collection into one documentary about the awareness of light pollution.
But first, here are the general facts about light pollution. The definition of light pollution is the overindulgence of man-made light, which can cause several different problems.
Effects of light pollution. Light pollution makes it harder to see the stars in the night sky. Light pollution increases the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, causing global warming. Light pollution disrupts the natural patterns of wildlife and disrupts human sleep, affecting human health as well.
Light pollution affects human health in many different ways. For example, light pollution disrupts the human sleep cycle, which causes sleep deprivation. Also, some other effects of light pollution are diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Light pollution disrupts the human circadian rhythm, which is like a clock in our bodies that lets us know when we're sleepy. It happens because of the day and night cycle. Artificial light disrupts the human circadian rhythm and decreases melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone that our brain makes as a response to darkness. When melatonin is decreasing in one's body, sleep deprivation, stress, fatigue, anxiety, and a number of other health problems occur. Also, research proves that low levels of melatonin and cancer are linked. So there are 4 different types of light pollution: glare, clatter, sky glow, and light trespass. Okay, so the first is glare. Glare is a bright light that can discomfort the eye. It can blind your eye because the light is way too bright to adapt to. Also, there are 3 different types of glare: disability glare, discomfort glare, and reflection glare. Disability glare is reduced vision due to intense light exposures in the field of view. Discomfort glare is excessive light that can cause discomfort. And reflection glare is the overindulgent use of outdoor lighting. Next, we have sky glow. Sky glow is obviously a type of light pollution. It is a combination of both reflected light and unshielded light, and is pointing towards the sky. This causes the light to glow. Up next, we have clutter. Clutter is obviously a type of light pollution, or else why would we be talking about it? It is a group of lighting or excessive light, and it can cause confusion. Finally, we have light trespass. Light trespass is also, again, another type of light pollution. It is unwanted light that is shining on your property.
Now come with us for our interviews.
Hi, I'm Siga. What's your name?
I'm walking.
Hi, I'm Siga. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Benny.
I have a couple questions to ask you. The first one is, what do you think light pollution is?
I think light pollution is a whole bunch of city lights, and that's basically what I think.
I don't know. I think light pollution is when there's a lot of lights and you can't see the stars.
Why do you think light pollution makes it harder to see the stars?
I don't know the answer for that one.
Well,
Because our eyes can't focus of how bright it is during the night.
yeah, that's actually true. Light pollution is the excessive use of man-made light, and it makes it hard to see the stars at night because it's like a fog or a shield. It blurs out the stars' light and it covers up the sky with its man-made light.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Anisha. I'm in 7th grade.
What do you think light pollution is?
I think light pollution is like the same thing as pollution, but with light.
How does light pollution affect you?
It puts strain on my eyes. Like when I'm working, when light comes to my eyes, it puts strain on my eyes. So I have to get glasses.
Thank you. What he said was true. Light pollution can affect your eye vision and can also affect your natural sleeping cycle.
I'm here with Risa. So I have a few questions for you. So the first one is, what do you think light pollution is?
I think light pollution is like pollution light, honestly.
Okay, so our second question is, what do you think light pollution does to the environment?
Low-key, light pollution be like affect the environment, like it be killing them animals, like I don't know.
Okay.
What Brisa said in the interview was correct. Light pollution does affect the environment and animals. However, it does not really kill animals. What light pollution does to the environment is that light pollution increases the amount of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. If you don't know, carbon emissions are the leading cause of global warming. Another thing that light pollution does to the environment is it disrupts the natural light cycle, which many animals rely on, such as owls, rodents, or any nocturnal animals.
Light pollution also affects animals who depend on a nighttime environment to survive. Many bird species use the stars to navigate at night. Baby sea turtles use moonlight reflected off the ocean to guide them back to the water. City lights can confuse them and veer them off course. Humans are not immune either. Excessive exposure to artificial light at night can increase the risk of sleep disorders, and it's also been linked to obesity, depression, diabetes, and even cancer. For AccuWeather, I'm Eric Austin.
Hi, what's your name?
Dr. Alonso.
So what do you think light pollution is?
Light pollution is when there's so much light anywhere that you're never able to see darkness.
Alright, well, according to what we found, it says that light pollution was the overindulgence in man-made light. So what do you think light pollution does to the environment?
Well, as humans, we need to be able to have light and darkness because our body functions that way. It functions based on how we perceive the day and the night. So once you eliminate the chance of having darkness by having light all day long or all night long, it will eventually affect your mental state.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Jose Vasquez.
So we have our first question is, what do you think light pollution is?
Light pollution. Wow. Pollution is pollution, and I don't know if it's light or it's. But pollution is what we pollute. All the trash we generate every day. That's what I think. I don't know. I might be wrong.
Well, light pollution is the overuse of man-made light. So, what do you think light pollution does to the environment, to animals, to us?
Well, obviously, it's going to affect our life. On the ocean, all the creatures and the ocean, like seafood and things like that. And in general, yeah, it's going to affect the whole life cycle of life, animals and humans.
Okay, thank you so much.
Is that it? Thank you.
What do you think light pollution is?
I don't really know. I don't really have a main idea of what pollution is.
Light pollution? First time I heard about that.
I think that light pollution is when there's too much light and it affects like the stars.
There are 3 different ways to prevent light pollution. Turn off any unnecessary lights, close your blinds and drapes so indoor light doesn't get outside, and when you go outside, point your light downwards to prevent any unnecessary intense light.
Thank you for watching Group 7's documentary Fight the Light. Group 7, Selena, Alexis, Snigdha, and Anika, Period 1. We're proud to present our data on the awareness of light pollution. Thank you so much, and make sure to turn off your lights. Yay! As you saw in that interview, light pollution does affect environments. Anyway, it's the human health in many different ways. Sorry. You do that, I almost cut off your whole forehead. Oh, I'm sorry.
And are obesity, cancer, and diabetes.
Increasing the amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, stop, because I'm actually squinting so hard right now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.